Little Bear sits before a bowl of vegetables, refusing to eat. A talking carrot appears, surprising Little Bear. The carrot tells Little Bear how vegetables make him strong and happy. Little Bear happily eats his vegetables, smiling brightly.
You've just watched it. Impressive, right? Created fast with the Veo3 Prompt Assistant Collection. The full Veo3 Prompt Assistant Collection, launching in just a few weeks.
Create stunning AI video content. No camera, no actors, full visual consistency powered by AI. Join the next generation of AI video creation. Reserve your access to Veo3 Prompt Assistant today.